Hey, hi everybody. Right. So as I told in the class, so in this particular video, I'm going to teach you how to install Ardublock inside your Arduino. Right. So to install Arduino, first we require the Arduino software to be downloaded. So I'm just going to open my Internet Explorer. Right. And here you have to go to the website known as arduino.cc. So it is going to be www.arduino.cc. So here, once you open it, this is the complete Arduino website, which has a lot of information about the projects, about the latest updates of products, and a lot more. So first, we're going to download the software, for which I need to go to the downloads, right? And the latest version at present is 1.8.9. But for us, for to install the Ardublock, we do not require the latest version. We require the version which is a previous version. So you need to scroll down much better down, right? And there is a version known as download the previous versions of the current release. So click on it. It will take you on to another screen, and you can see two options here. One, it is 1.8.8, which is a latest, previous latest, right? And this is the first version, which is 1.0.6, but we need something in between. So we need to scroll down further, and we have to install the version known as 1.6.11. So you can have a Windows installer downloaded, right? And when you click on it, the software starts asking you to contribute. If you're willing, you can contribute something to the Arduino software. But in our case, we can just click on just download, right? And once it has started downloading, it is an 84 MB file, which may require at least some 2 to 3 minutes to get downloaded. If your internet is much faster than that, it can get downloaded within a minute or maximum of 2 to 3 minutes. And if your internet is much slow, it may take even 1 hour. So we are waiting for the file to be downloaded. So almost 50% of the file is over. Just 20 more MBs. Sorry, I think so. Yeah, now it's 20. Okay, almost done. Just 2 to 3 more seconds. I think so. It's good to go. Yes, the download is completed now. So once download is completed, click on the file. So the Arduino will ask your permission to install the software inside your computer, where you can just click yes, and it will open up the screen, which will lead you to the installation. Just complete the process. I agree, next, install, and it starts installing. So you can see the details of what are the files just getting just copied into the system by just clicking on this. So it will be show details. Now the Arduino is started installing, right? And this software, the interface required, the pre-libraries, whatever we required for the Arduino programming is just getting copied into your system. And it will take some minimum of 5 minutes maximum, if I'm not wrong, and if your systems are good enough, right? So this will also install the drivers which is required for the system, right? So as I already explained in the class, that Arduino is not being recognized by the computers. So we need to tell them where it is located and how it will be present and how it will look like. So that we call it as a driver, right? So the drivers required for the softwares will also get installed inside your system. So if in case it asks us any permission in between, right, you just have to give it the permission saying that install, right? It will maybe asking whether this software can be installed or not installed. You have to give it as install. In my case, since I've already given the permission to Arduino, it is not asking me. So now the files are copied, right? And next it is going to start installing. So you could see the output folder, which is C program files. And now you can see there, yeah, the installing 64-bit drivers. So the drivers is automatically getting installed in my case, whereas it could just ask your permission to install. When it asks your permission, just give it install. So we need to wait for the software to get completed. So the process is going on. So the drivers are installed. Maybe one more minute. So the softwares are being installed, and I think so. Yes, it's completed. The status has been completed. Now you can close it. You can close your browser, then go on to your start button and type Arduino. So you could see the file coming up. Just click on it to open the file. So once you have installed it, you have to open it for at least once, right? So that it starts having the things on the back end. Yes. So now you could see the Arduino has opened, right? So once it is opened and you have run once, close it again, right? And now you would have already downloaded the file which I've already sent you, the Ardublock beta 20140702 file. Just right click on it, copy it, right? And then again go to my computer. Then you have something known as documents, and here you could see a file or a folder named as Arduino, right? So open it, where you will see this is already done. I'll just teach you the process again. Sorry for the interruption. Yeah, right. So now what you have to do is you have to create three folders, right? So the first folder is, right click on it, new folder, and click on tools, right? So inside this tools, you have to go again and create another folder named as Ardublock. But while filling this name, please be careful. Wherever I use capital letters and wherever I use small letters, you have to type it exactly the same, right? Otherwise, your Ardublock will not come up. So you have to install it the perfect way as I type. So Ardublock tool, Ardublock, POOL. So it is A caps, B caps, and T caps, right? So once you have done this, again, go inside this folder, right? And again, you have to create another folder, right? It should be named as tool, right? And once you have opened this tool, right, you can just go in and right click and paste the file, right? So now the job is done. You can close it. You can close it, right? And again, go to the start menu, right? And you can type Arduino. Yeah, it's already listed there, right? Probably, right? And we open the Arduino, right? Now it is starting to work, right? The order blocks is getting working done. And now if you go to tools and see, there is something known as Ardublock, right? When you click on it, and there comes your Ardublock tool, right? So with this, you can just start dragging the blocks and the blocks palette and start doing your programs and start uploading the to Arduino, right? So if you have any doubts regarding the installing of Ardublock inside your Arduino, just post your comments in the Google Classroom, where we will be discussing about it much further if you have any doubts. And if you have completed or successfully installed, please do post it as comment in the classroom as well. So we would come to know that you have installed it successfully, and hope happy in sharing that as well, right? So thank you for watching this video. Hope you would have learned a new stuff today, and there is a lot more to follow, right? This is just a beginning. Thank you once again for watching it. Have a great day.